Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams. And now we buy your Rams. I'm here to show you this 2015 Ram 3500. So let's take a peek. So this truck does obviously have your 6.7 liter Cummins, and you're probably wondering why there's no bumper on it. That's the only thing this truck needs, is we are getting the bumper painted, so that's going to be all color matched. You do have some nice aftermarket rims. This is leveled, kickback flaps, all that good stuff. It is a Mega Cab, so you're going to have the 6.4 box on this one. As well, you're going to have a tonneau cover, backup camera, and he has a soft bonnet. But we're going to go inside and inside the truck. It is obviously fully loaded. These are heated and cooled seats. Of course, you have a heated steering wheel as well. 8.4-inch touchscreen here with nav. This truck is obviously deleted. I don't know if you can hear it inside the truck, but it is. You do have a stage 4 tune on it. Sunroof on this one as well. Lots of storage all throughout the truck. But we're going to check out the back seat and then we're done. In the back seat, it's Mega Cab. You're going to have a whole bunch of room. They are heated rear seats. And then, of course, these do flip down nice and flat on either side there. And then you have the storage behind there. Just like any of our used vehicles, it does go through full AMVIC inspection, all that good stuff. If you want pricing, pictures, click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629.